Hello everyone, this is Snigdha from GVP CEW. Hereby I am going to discuss the circuit design which consists of two push buttons and one LED. Let us have a look at the circuit. So here is the circuit. This VDD is the power supply. The things indicating P are the two push buttons. These resistors are used for the current limiting, hence they are called as current limiting resistors. And here is the LED where one end is connected to the combination of these push buttons and the other end is connected to the ground. Now let us have a look at how we are going to construct it. We are going to do this in the Tinkercad. Now let us firstly drag and drop our main component, which is Arduino Uno. So we will drag and drop it. Now as we know, we are going to construct it using one LED and two push buttons. Here comes the LED. Okay. Now for this, firstly we need to connect the power supply. As we also mentioned that there is a need of current limiting resistor, we need to take two resistors. Here comes the other resistor. Now we need to connect it. Let us take the 5V power supply from here. The wire is taken and it is connected to one end of the push button. Here comes the other end of the push button connected to 5V. Now the other end of the push button is connected to the resistor. The other end of the resistor is connected to the anode of the LED. Now the current flows in a closed circuit. So to complete the circuit, we need to connect the cathode of the LED to the ground of the Arduino. So hereby it is connected to the ground. Now the circuit is completed. But in order to have the correct values of the resistor, we need to find the value of resistance. As we know, the value of the resistance is Vs minus Vf divided by I, where Vs is here 5 volts and the Vf value is 2 volts, where the current value is 20 milliamps. So by this calculating, we will get the resistance value as 150 ohms. So we need to change the resistance values. Click on the resistor, go for the resistance value 150 and then select ohms. Same for this resistor. Here comes the value 150 and then ohms. So here the circuit is completed. In order to run this, we should click here, that is start simulation. Okay, it is initialized. Now when the two buttons are not pressed or just left like that, by just only connecting the power supply, there is no glow of the LED. In order to observe the difference, let us change the color of the LED. Let us change it to orange. Okay, so now there is no change in the LED. Let us press one push button. See, you can observe the blinking of the LED, right? Okay, when we are pressing only one button, now pressing the other button, again it's glowing. So the final conclusion is that there are three conditions where when both the buttons are not pressed, we can't observe any glow from the LED. When one push button is pressed, the LED glows, and when alone the other push button is pressed, the LED glows. This is the condition of our circuit designed. So this is the final design of our circuit, which contains two push buttons and one LED. Thank you.